and welcome to the Craft Bar. I'm featuring 4 more beautiful cards in our Mother's Day series. My mom used the A2 Trio Fold card die, and they fold flat. It folds like that, and it fits into a normal A2 envelope. I love how bright all 4 of these cards are, and how cute they are when you're getting them displayed at the end. First and foremost, just the colors and that beautiful green paper. This jumps off the page at me. When I see this, I think immediate spring. I get a big smile on my face. This happy background, the beautiful mixed media blue bird here, mother. This is felt with stitching, paper with rhinestones, chipboard, paisley, and then a little bit of glitter. And when you open it up, Happy Mother's Day. Now the trio fold is that it has depth. So there is a ledge here. You can see there are flowers in all directions. The card is beautiful. And on the back, the embellishments, the floral lace work comes as part of the die. All of those things are included for you, which I'm only saying because it made it so easy for my mom to cut those out and then get them glued down. And the base card is this, okay? But you can buy this additional piece, and we did get it. It is the A2 easel add-on for the Trio Fold card die, right? And it comes with little sentiment pieces. The second one is also in pink, but a completely different outcome. So much more elegant and vintage. Very let's have tea. And a similar sticker. Also that mixed media bird, but against this antiqued rose paper and the pale pink trellis. You feel like you're in a tea garden, a rose garden. The paper flower as opposed to chipboard, so it's a matte and not a real shine. The only shine is the center, that little rhinestone. A matte paisley paper. Same Happy Mother's Day stamp because it goes so well with all these different designs. An antique, beautiful patina and finish. I love this damask paper. And she was able to use some of the pink trellis work in the corner so that there's more texture. It just makes everything very high quality, very elevated. And the purple morning glories, this jumps out. I feel very early morning dew with those happy rhinestones, a little bit of sparkle in the grass and the lace peeking over with the flowers. That is so, look at that, the effect of that charm. Here the flowers are like they're nestled, beautiful white. I can smell it in the center, the border of flowers along the top. And then here with her stop, more flowers. So you really are standing with gates or an iron fence and just flowers growing happy in your garden. That's the effect I get with this card. And then Happy Mother's Day. Now here she didn't stamp it. She used a nice vinyl smooth sticker, but pale purple on the back with more, let me turn it correctly upside down for you guys. Right side up. That beautiful trellis. And she ran these through her Xyron. She has a large Xyron for these. And that is the way she found it to be easiest to work with this. And then finally, I love this color combination. It stands out so beautifully in person. Eye-catching and so happy. This paper is from Scrappy Boy themselves. The die is from Scrappy Boy, but so is this paper pack. I think this is from their Patriotic paper pack, and it is a dark navy blue background with a 2-colored red flower. And it really does have a bit of a magenta. It kind of fools the eye with the yellow center. So this paper sets it off with the yellow background paper, that floral on top, the yellow flowers, and this hot pink, high gloss cardstock. And then she added to the center of the flowers a half dome pearl iridescent sticker. She's got the bee and the reverse, these two. So easy again. She used up her scraps here. She said she had that yellow already. But I love that the pink peeps through just like the wings would. The eye even glistens. And then she made her stop using that paper so it really does appear almost seamless when you look at it from the front. And continued on the back. So 4 great examples, and they fold flat. If you're wondering how do you mail this, it folds like that, and it fits into a normal A2 envelope. You can mail these. They're not going to be a problem. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting to see these examples of different Mother's Day cards as part of our series. My mother has had a wonderful time, and she's done a beautiful job making all these cards. So thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe. We love to showcase happy finished projects. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.